How to fix HDMI port not working on PS5. Let's get started. Today we are tackling a common issue, the dreaded HDMI port not working on your PS5. But fear not, because we have got you covered with a full guide on how to fix it without cracking open your console. First things first, ensure your PS5 is completely powered off. Hold down the power button until you hear that second beep, indicating it's shut down. Now let's turn our attention to the back of the PS5. Unplug the HDMI and power cables as well as any other connections. Give it a few seconds to power down completely. While you are at it, check for any debris or dots in the HDMI ports of both your PS5 and your TV. Sometimes it's the little things causing big problems. Now try switching up the HDMI ports on your TV and swapping the ends of the HDMI cable. If the issue persists, it's time to bring out the big guns, safe mode. Hold down the power button again until you hear that second beep. Then connect your controller using a USB cable. Once in safe mode, you may encounter a resolution problem rather than an HDMI port issue. Navigate to change video output and try adjusting the resolution settings until you find one that works. You can also try clearing the software cache in safe mode. It's like giving your PS5 a fresh restart. Now if you have tried all these steps and you are still staring at a blank screen, it might be time to seek professional help. But hopefully with our guide you have managed to get your HDMI port up and running again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more PS5 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Happy gaming!